because you can't get any success on YouTube if you are not with someone expert. Your videos will never go viral if you didn't work with proper strategies. We are providing full YouTube automation services from channel creation to complete uploading on channel. We will set up your channel first, and then we'll suggest some niches which are in trending. We will do a deep research to find trending topics for your channel, and then we will start script writing. Our scripts are 100% plagiarism free. After writing scripts, our voiceover artist will do the voiceover, and we have multiple voiceover options available. Then we will start video editing, and trust me, our editors will turn imaginations to reality. Nowadays, if your editing is not good, YouTube will never rank your content. So we work with proper plannings according to YouTube algorithm, so your channel will start growing immediately. When video will be ready, our SEO team will upload video on your channel and do the best ranking SEO so your video will reach in trending. Our thumbnail designers will design best clickbait thumbnails for your video. Say goodbye to old editing and thumbnails. Drop a message or call anytime, and we will respond immediately. We will try our best to help you in your content creation journey. Thank you.